This is a delta audio amplifier circuit board. I am going to use this circuit to an amplifier. The old circuit has burned ready. That circuit cannot repair. For this case, I am changing this circuit. First, I have to use the thermal paste for the separator. Every transistor needs separator. For this case, I am using the thermal paste for each separator. Every separator needs this thermal paste and a separator. Every transistor needs separator and thermal paste. Now I am using the separator. Must use separator, otherwise the circuit board will be short. The voltage will be short. If you want to repair any amplifier, contact with us, Brother Electronics, Maipoti, Joshua. Brother Electronics, Maipoti, Joshua. There have the number in the comment. You can contact with us using that number. We repair every type of amplifier. Audio, Stranger, CA, Delta, Crown, Buoy. Now I have to use another side. This side also need the separator. Same, I am using the thermal paste for every separator. Now I am using this separator for transistor. This Delta 7001 has 4 transistors missing. Now I have to check the transistor side, which side is positive side and another which side is negative side. This side will be like this. It will be like this. Must follow the side. It will be like this way. You can see here used to 2 NTC. All are negative transistor. A1943. A1943. This one is the driver transistor, the small one. Here all are negative transistor. Here all are negative transistor. This one also driver transistor for the voltage side. This circuit has 2 sides. One side for making the ground voltage, another side for making the sound. Okay. Have to use thermal paste. Must have to use thermal paste for each transistor. Every transistor need thermal paste. Every transistor need thermal paste. I already fixed all transistor, positive and negative both. Now I am going to fix this circuit. Here I need 2 transistor like this way. Okay, I fix ready. Now I have to soldering this circuit. This circuit with transistor, I am soldering the circuit with the transistor. Must solder nicely, because this circuit has two side print. This circuit is two side print. Every transistor need to soldering. Now I am using the NTC. Must check which one is 90 degree, which one is 45 degree. Here I used 80 degree for 90 degree, 50 degree for 45 degree. No problem. Is 5 degree positive, 5 degrees doesn't matter. 5 degree lower upper it doesn't matter. This is the NTC. This NTC used for the fan speed. Now I need to solder it. Okay, now soldering ready. Now I am going to use this circuit to the amplifier. Thank you for watching the video. Next video you can see the another part. Thank you.